Smoky skies covered much of KELOLAND over the past couple of days. Meteorologist Scott Munt has an update on what the smoke does next.
Thick haze filled the skies over KELOLAND this weekend, and it continued for many in eastern KELOLAND on Monday. The thickest of the smoke from fires in Canada will cover eastern and southeastern KELOLAND this evening, as shown here on the modeling smoke product. This is at the same time when scattered showers and storms will be moving through the area. This should be the worst of the smoke, as the model is forecasting the smoke to thin as we get into tomorrow and Wednesday. At least with the strong wind today, it wasn't as noticeable as what we had during Sunday's lighter wind day. The stronger wind helps mix the atmosphere. And speaking of wind, today will end up being the windiest day of the week, as lighter winds and cooler air will be here for the rest of the week. For KELOLAND weather, I'm meteorologist Scott Munt.